Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. This is something that I've not seen before. This is the MoFly P-51. Really easy, relatively easy to put together. It's 16th scale, has everything you need in the box, less the 4 AA's for their transmitter. But this comes with an FPV camera. You put the app on your mobile phone and then you can see the view via your smartphone in a cradle mounted on the radio transmitter while you're flying along, and you can also capture the footage as well. Let's have a closer look. So this is the P-51 itself, as I said, relatively easy to put together, and typical P-51. Tom Cruise owns one, now I own one, but fixed landing gear, comes with the battery and the charger, but you'll notice underneath, look, camera. Now when you put the wing on, the only thing I'll say that is a little bit difficult to do is that there are 2 wires from the aileron servos that go into the bottom of the fuselage, into the circuit board, but also a wire from the FPV camera, and that wire is a little bit short, so you have to slot the back of the wing in, and then while the wing is kind of like this, you have to use a pair of tweezers to put that plug in place. They could have made that wire a little bit longer so that the job was easier, but I got it done in the end. Otherwise it's fairly straightforward to put together. This is the radio transmitter that it comes with. You put 4 AA's in the back of that. Now I tell you what did take me some time, the cradle for your smartphone that goes on the top of this, that took more time to put together, to assemble, than the model itself. But you follow the instructions and you'll get it done. There's a lot of automation and tricks that you can do with this. So it has automated roll left and right, automated loop, and automatic fly inverted. So we'll try that. You've got 60 3D modes and turning the gyro off altogether, and you've got low and high rates. So there's a lot of features on this P-51 all by itself. Anyway, so let's get it in the air. Let's see how well it flies. Just do a gentle circuit. Higher, and it'll come up with a warning message probably. Yeah. That's nice and high.
Go off on the screen invalid.
So that was a combination of onboard footage from that camera underneath and line of sight video showing some of the features of this. It is HD video footage to the SD card that you can slot in the bottom of this. Relatively low frame rate though, but that's not surprising given what you're paying for this. But it's still really interesting. I'm not sure if you would be able to fly FPV, and I didn't do that because of the kind of the down angle. I think it's more for just taking video while you're flying, but it's still a big step to get something, that an aeroplane particularly, that does come with a FPV camera. So you could try flying it FPV. Anyway, the link for this is in the video description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.